4 billion years ago, a Mars-sized planet suddenly hit the Earth. The debris from that collision collected in an orbit around Earth, and the moon we know was formed on that day. This is according to the giant impact hypothesis, or the Big Splat Theory. And now the question is it possible for a planet to hit Earth again? Is there any chance for that scenario to be repeated? While planetary collisions are rare these days, they were once common as they left a lasting impact on the planets of our solar system. The Earth came into being around 4.6 billion years ago, forming out of a gathering of dust and gas around the young Sun. The early solar system was chaotic, and it continued to grow through impacts between planets, asteroids, and dust. These dust particles and atoms in the interstellar medium get accumulated by several forces to form rocky masses, which eventually grow into the planets we know today. Even our planet's final size was achieved through one more last major collision with another Mars-sized object. This last collision, also known as the moon-forming impact, or the Big Splash Theory, was so large that in addition to adding lots of material to the Earth, there was enough energy to vaporize some of the rock and metal from both the proto-Earth and impacting object. This eventually cooled, became dense, and formed the Moon. Not only that, but Uranus is thought to have been affected from a major collision. Billions of years ago, an object at least twice the size of Earth came too close to Uranus, and the two bodies collided with great force. Scientists said the collision was so strong it caused Uranus to be knocked onto its side. This theory explains why Uranus is the only planet that has an axial tilt. Nowadays, there is nothing in the solar system as big as a planet that could hit Earth and cause destruction. If a planet-sized object were to enter this solar system, it would come from very far into the solar system, or even from interstellar space, which we call a rogue planet. Rogue planets are believed to exist as interstellar objects that float between stars, without a host planetary system. We might say that there is a chance that one of these rogue planets could come into our solar system at high speed, and it may slightly change the orbits of some of the planets. If this happens, many of the planets will deviate from their orbits after the collision. No one would survive on Earth if a planet hit it. The entire surface of our planet will be molten like the lava that comes out of a volcano. And that's because the collision between the Earth and another planet will generate heat enough to melt the Earth's crust and evaporate all of the oceans. It will cause massive destruction to everything on Earth. And now, what's your opinion? Do you think is there any chance to be hit by a planet again? Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. See you again.